Welcome to Strong Transitions, a partnership between the McHenry County Economic Development Corporation and the Small Business Development Center at McHenry County College. McHenry County is built on the spirit of entrepreneurship, the passion of its small business owners, and the drive of future leaders. But when it's time for change, whether stepping away or stepping into ownership, where do you turn? Look no further. Introducing Strong Transitions, our powerful initiative designed to guide McHenry County's entrepreneurs and business owners through the most critical moments in business: acquisition, succession, and growth. This program is powered by an advanced McHenry County grant. Strong Transitions is built on three key pillars: enhance access. We help connect business owners to programs and resources that sustain local ownership and entrepreneurship. Engagement. We help guide business leaders in building a clear roadmap to transition their company to new leadership. Education. We equip the next generation with the tools and knowledge to pursue business ownership and carry local enterprises forward. Whether you're preparing a transition out of your business or you're ready to step into leadership and buy an existing one, Strong Transitions has the resources and expert support you need. Our Transitions Advising Program offers confidential, no-cost sessions with experienced advisors and industry experts. We'll help you create a customized exit strategy that preserves your legacy and protects everything you've built for the next generation of leadership. From personal readiness and financial planning to building a strong business roadmap for a successful transition, we help you plan for your next chapter with confidence. For existing and emerging entrepreneurs ready to take the leap, Entrepreneurship Through Acquisition is an interactive, 8-week instructor-led course that teaches you the ins and outs of buying, operating, and growing an existing business. Learn how to spot smart opportunities, master negotiations, step into the CEO role, accelerate your growth, and more with expert guidance and hands-on support every step of the way. McHenry County's future depends on strong businesses and its leaders. Whether you're planning your transition or launching your dreams, our Strong Transitions programs are here to help you succeed. Preserve your legacy, build and empower the future. Join Strong Transitions. Connect with us to learn more.